Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to our channel. Do you remember your favorite soft toy from childhood? The one that listened to all your secrets, hugged you when you were sad, and made every night a little more magical. Today, we are bringing that warm memory back with a soft toy drawing using only a black pen. No colors, just pure imagination and heart full of love. So let's begin this cute little journey together. So, guys, our beautiful and adorable soft toy is almost ready, drawn with just one black pen but filled with endless love. Sometimes we don't need colors to create magic, just a little heart and lots of memories. If you enjoyed the drawing, don't forget to like, share, and leave your sweet comment. Till then, bye bye and see you.